I have a fish pond in my garden. It contains about 35 large goldfish and 5 much larger koi. Strange as it may seem to non-fish keepers, they recognise me. They really do. Whenever I approach the pond, and even when I'm several paces away, they swim rapidly to the side, expecting to get fed. I usually do feed them, and they have learned to trust me. When we have guests at home, they often ask if they can feed the fish. I give them a small handful of pellets and tell them to stand well away from the edge because the fish do not like strangers. Of course they don't believe me and they go to the side of the pond and wait for the fish to appear, but the fish do not. They know it's a stranger and they're wary. Occasionally, when I'm on a speaking tour or delivering sales masterclasses and I'm away for several days, the fish do not usually get fed. That's not being cruel. There's much wildlife in my pond for them to feed on. If I'm going to be away for quite a while, I ask a neighbour to feed them. The first few times they approach the pond, the fish stay hidden. But after a few days, they get used to the stranger. They learn to trust them. They know they have food and they forget about me until I get home. My fish are rather like your customers, are they not? Except that if we neglect our customers, they are usually far less forgiving than fish. So, is there anybody you've been neglecting you should be catching up with today? Go on then.